My name is Dr. Penda Bigambo, a lecturer in Materials and Textile Technology at the Department of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering of the University of Dar es Salaam in Tanzania.
In terms of the team, we are three investigators. It's me who is the PI, the principal investigator. We have another one co-PI, Dr. Bonea Mrango. And then we have another co-PI. Her name is Ms. Safina Kimbokota. My project is about modernizing the Tanzanian batik industry. And we are doing that based on the industries, the batik industries in Tanzania, in Dar es Salaam particularly. How I came up with the batik project, it's because one day when I was teaching with my students, they asked me a lot of questions like, Madam, when we visit these people, when we go out there, we see a lot of batiks, but we don't know how it's being produced. We don't even know how much batik is being produced within the country. We don't have any data on the batik production. It came back to my mind and I said, okay, I have to do something about the batik industry in Tanzania. Batik production has been in Tanzania for quite a long time now. But and most people who do the projects, who do the batik activities are usually the women. They use batik as the main source of income. But the issue with this batik industry itself is that the design that these women have using in the batik production, they have been the same for ages. When you go to markets and you try to find these batik products, you always find the same kind of design and same kind of products all the time. But another thing that inspired us to do this project is because of the chemicals they use, because of the technology that these women are using. Most of them are doing production usually at the back of their home. So we want to modernize it, but we want it to be beneficial to these women particularly. And to do that, we are looking at it in two aspects. So we want to try and convince them to use different kind of designs. So we had a workshop somewhere in June. And during that workshop, we wanted to develop new design or new motifs that these women can use. So during that workshop, we had about 12 kind of designs. But with our project, we took 5 of them and we are trying to put those designs onto the fabrics now. So we are going to try and produce the fabrics for them using the designs that they created. So that is one part of the modernization. But the other part, we have 2 undergraduate students who are working on the dyes. The dyes that these women are using are usually the synthetic dyes, which are chemicals. So these 2 undergraduate women students are looking at natural dyes. We have one student is looking at onion peels. So the onion peels, we're trying to process it and see if it will work on the batik production. And then we have another student who is looking at turmeric roots. So using the roots, trying to extract the dyes that they can be applied on the fabric. When I'm done with my work, I want people to say that when you see a batik, you know this batik is coming from women batik producers in Tanzania.